Hey guys, welcome to my video. If this is your first time watching, welcome to the Jennifer Monique YouTube channel. If this is not your first time, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I made this here intro for free on Canva. So if you like it, keep on watching. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and head over to www.canva.com. Now I do have the free version. I have not paid for the paid version for Canva just yet. So we're going to go to social media and we're going to scroll over until we see like a YouTube thumbnail. Here we're just going to start with a blank canvas. I'm actually just have some pictures that I uploaded that I'm going to put in here. So I know with mine I always like to have my name on my intros. And so here you just see me adding photos that I've already downloaded onto my MacBook, and I'm just uploading them onto the photo. So keep in mind, this right here you can do however you want. I just know this is how I want the first page to look on my intro. So I'm going to go ahead and position those, center those, as you can see. Then I'm going to hit this button. It's going to duplicate the page. This right here button is actually going to copy the page down. So this is what you're going to see like when the screen changes. So I'm just going to delete those because now I'm going to want something else once the screen changes here. So I'm going to go over to like the stickers, and then I'm going to type in just a sticker that I may want. Okay, so I'm going to type in like an Instagram sticker. So I use these all the time, so that's why they're always mine. And so I just typed in Instagram logo, and then I'm just going to click on this one just because it's black and white. But keep in mind, you can always change the color of it too as well. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize that just a little bit so therefore kind of isn't as big as my actual name. Now I'm going to search for something else that I'm going to put on here. But keep in mind, this is all how you want it to be. I just like this one. So I want like a follow sticker here. Now as I scroll, I don't see one. So let me try to change it to maybe just follow. And I'm just going to see if I can find one that I like. No, let me change it to maybe follow. No, let me see. Stickers for like following. Okay, I kind of like this one. I like that pink line through it. It gives it like a splash of color. So I'm going to go ahead and make that a little bit smaller, as you guys can see, and try to line it up just a little bit there. I think that kind of looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and search for maybe like a phone because I want you guys to see like my Instagram. So maybe I'll just do this phone here. And let me see, I just need to line it up just a tad. Now because it has like that green in there, that means I can insert a picture in there, or you can insert a picture. So I'm probably going to insert a picture here. Keep in mind you can change the color, but I don't really like the color there. So I actually want to remove that. And I want to insert a picture. Let me see. Do I have a picture of my Instagram page? Yeah, I'm just going to add that in there. I'm just going to bring it over and it should fit. Boom. Bam. There. So now that's just a picture of my Instagram in the phone. It kind of goes together because it says follow us, has the Instagram theme. Now I want to play around with maybe the colors here to try to match that splash of color that's on follow us. Let's see. I believe that might be close enough. Let's see. Let me see what else I can change. I'm going to change the background. Yes. Bright. Okay, so this will be what the second page looks like. I'm going to duplicate this page. Alright, so I'm just going to delete all this off there. I just wanted to make sure that it was the same color and my name's on there. And now I want to change something. Let's see. Maybe put a YouTube sticker. So I kind of want you guys to subscribe. Yeah, I kind of like that. Let me minimize it just a little bit. So I'm just going to add a sticker. So keep in mind, guys, you're kind of making this how you want it to be. This is kind of how I want my intro to be. And you can change the colors to make it fit your theme. So currently my theme has a lot of pink and stuff. So I want to look for a sticker that says like subscribe. I need you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're watching this. Okay, this one's kind of cute because it matches the follow. So I think I need to make that a little bit smaller. Okay, it's lined up. And let me see. What else can I add on here? Let me see. Stickers for YouTube. Let's see what they have. No. What about on YouTube? I'm looking for like a movie script. Bam. Let me get that one. So I'm gonna add that one on there. And I need to change the colors to kind of match the other ones. So guys, this is all about trial and error. It's all about putting it how you want. Now I want a picture of my actual YouTube like home screen. I don't know if I have one uploaded yet. If I don't, I can upload it. Let me see. So I'm just changing the color of the YouTube symbol because just make it match like the subscribe sign. Excuse me, I said sound. That's kind of cute though. I'm trying to make it just all kind of, you know, go together. Let's see. I want to upload some media because I didn't have that picture. So here I'm just uploading a photo that I airdropped. Yeah, that's the one. It's a picture of like my YouTube page. Now, because it didn't have like that green screen, that means I'm gonna have to actually fit it in there. So I'm just gonna have to edit to. That's not work. Crop this to fit in there to fit in the screen. So sometimes you just gotta play around with it. It's looking like that's as good as it's going to get there. As you guys can't tell, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist with some things. Okay, let me just see if I can adjust this a little bit. So this right here, guys, is just me kind of playing around with the screen, see how it's gonna look. Okay. All right, so that's 1, 2. Let me fix this just a little bit. All right, and this will be page 3. So I want to duplicate this page. I'm actually going to delete all this. Now you don't have to like just duplicate it. You can just add a page. I just like duplicating because it's just a little push of a button and I can easily delete here. Now for the 4th one, I want to actually, I think I want to put my scripture up there that I always, I currently always have in the front. That's like my scripture for the year. Let me see how I want it. That's kind of cute. Oops, I didn't mean to put 2 of them on there. All right, do I want to put this here or no? I don't know. Let me just play around with this right quick. In case you guys don't know what Proverbs 16:3 says, in the NIV it says, commit to the Lord whatever you do and he will establish your plans, and that's in the NIV version. So that's currently like my scripture for the year. So you're going to see it a lot on my my intros and stuff. So somewhere in my video you're going to see it. All right, so that kind of looks good. Let's see. I think about changing the color. Okay, pop of color. Let's see. What I want to do. Okay, it kind of flows. It flows. All right. So now I want to animate these. So when they come in, they do something. Now you can pan in, rise, tumble. The ones with like the little crown is for the paid version, which I don't have, but it's okay. So let me see. How do I want these to go? Tumble. All right, tumble me in. Below in. Okay. So this is how they'll come in on like your intro. This is zoom. So this part, guys, you just animate it to how you want it. This is your personality coming out. This is just mine. You don't have to pan all of them. You don't have to zoom all of them or below. You do them how you want. Okay, so I'm just going to play around with these real quick. So just see how I want them. But it's all about your personality, how you want it done. Okay, let's see. All right. So, y'all, this usually takes me the longest time. Is figuring out the colors and everything. But keep in mind, you're just doing it how you want to. You can do it exactly like mine. That's fine. But yeah, I believe this is all right. So we have seconds here. This is how fast you want the slides to be. It kind of matters. It kind of doesn't. But this is how it'll play. Now, I personally don't worry about the time in between each slide, only because I usually edit it in iMovie to fit like the beat of whatever the background music is. So it's kind of how you want it to be. So if you don't want them that slow in between them, then you can just adjust the timing for each one of them, of the tumbling and the timing between each slide. So you just play around and play around with it to see. Okay, so we are about finished. I just want to change a little bit here. So I don't really want zoom because I don't like how zoom looks. So I think I'm gonna go back to pan. I may just do like every other one different. Let me see how it looks. Okay, let's see. I just want to adjust this a little bit more, but you don't have to. So after you have it like your slides set how you want them to look, it's all about moving things around, center them to make it look how you foresee it. All right, so I'm just going to download it to my computer now. All right, it is downloaded. Let's play it and see how it looks. Alright guys, so that is how you make your own intro, and you can just take this into iMovie or your editing app and you can just edit it to like the beat of whatever your background music is to be. So therefore when it switches between slides, it switches on a beat. So this is very easy, a free way to create your own intro. So if you like this, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. If you go ahead and try this out, let me know. Tag me in one of your videos so I can watch it. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.